Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to create effective YouTube video description templates using ChatGPT. This will help you save time and maintain consistency across your videos. Let's get started. Video descriptions are important because they help viewers understand your content and improve your videos' discoverability through search engines. Using ChatGPT can quickly generate well-structured, keyword-rich description templates tailored to your channel's niche. First, open ChatGPT and log into your account. In the chat box, type a prompt like "Create a YouTube video description template for a tutorial channel focused on tech reviews." Be specific about your content type, target audience, and any keywords you want to include. ChatGPT will produce a detailed description template including an engaging introduction, main points, summary, call to action, and relevant hashtags or links. You can customize these templates to suit each video by adding unique details or links. By using these templates, you ensure your descriptions are clear, professional, and optimized for YouTube's SEO. This saves you time and helps your video rank better, attracting more viewers. Remember, a strong description supports your video's success by improving visibility and encouraging viewer engagement. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.